Hi, I'm going to show you a quick little video on how to be able to access your workouts. Now, your instructor is going to send you an email with some instructions. Here's an example of what that email will look like. So you'll be like, hi there, you're invited to a Zoom meeting, or it could be called a Zoom workout, or your instructor may have given it another name, and it will give you the time and the date. And then it will give you writing in blue. Now this is called a link. All you need to do is put your cursor on the writing anywhere, do a left click, and what that will do is automatically open up to a web page. So now it's opening up onto a web page, and it's going to require you to register. Sometimes the registration isn't required, but in this situation, it is. So I have a meeting registration. Now, all you need to do is pop in your first name. You need to write in your last name, and then put your email address, confirming your email address. So then all you do is click on I'm not a robot. You just do a left-hand click on that. And after it stops spinning and you get the green tick, you click register. So once you've registered, you'll get a meeting approval. This is all automated, so you don't need to remember anything. And the part that you need to click on, if you want to access the workout at the time of the workout on the date, is to click all of this blue writing. And all you have to do is put your cursor there, left-hand click, and it will open up to another page. Now you'll see this spinning circle, and it will ask you to open Zoom meeting. So you put your cursor on there, left click again, and what it will do is it will open up the class. Make sure to check the date and check the time so that you actually attend the class that you're interested in going to. And that's all it takes. So what will happen is you'll get a screen that looks like this. And as you can see, I'm talking into the computer. You can enter into a full screen, which is recommended, and all I did was put my cursor on that. So I'll enter into a full screen, and there I am. And what you'll see is that a whole bunch of other people will join you as well. What else you will actually see is this black bar that will appear down the bottom of your screen. Now there's a few things here that you might want to notice. Firstly, there's a little microphone over in the left-hand corner. If I click on this, it'll give me a unmute, and you can see that I've been unmuted. Now that means that my instructor can't hear me anymore and no one else can. This can be useful during a workout so that you can cut down background noise. But if you want to unmute yourself, you click unmute. So that's one way you can communicate with your instructor. Another point to make here is stop the video. So if I stop the video, it means that I can no longer be seen. So if there's a whole bunch of other people in this Zoom meeting, they won't be able to see me, but I still will be able to see them. So closing that does not mean that you can't see anyone, it means they can't see you. So I'll go ahead and start the video again. Now, you'll also see a chat button here. So a chat is so that I can communicate with my instructor. So if I'm muted and I want to say something, I can click the chat. And this is all with the left-hand click. And over here, I can type a message. Hello, everyone. And I'll just press the enter button, and there's my message. So if you want to communicate with your instructor, you'll see, hello, everyone, and or can you please speak to me, or whatever else that you might want to communicate. So I'll go ahead and just close that window, close. So I just click that little arrow there and click close. Other than that, that's pretty much all you need to know. The one other little point is over here, that red button, if you ever want to leave the class. So if I click on the red button, it'll give me a choice to leave the meeting, and you want to click leave the meeting, not end the meeting for everyone else. So the meeting is in reference to your class or to your workout. Anytime you move this cursor around, you will get all of these buttons. But the minute you stop moving your cursor, that black bar will disappear like it has now. So it's not gone forever. You just need to move your cursor around and it will pop up again. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave the meeting. So I'm going to click end. I'm going to leave the meeting, and it basically just takes you back to this page. That's all you need to know on how to be able to access your workouts from your instructor.